Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be diving into the OHL trading strategy. Okay, it's one of the cleanest, most effective ways to trade using pure price action. So if you are tired of messy indicators or lagging signals, this strategy is about understanding the psychology behind the open, high, and low of the day. All right. Now let's just break it down step by step and show you how to use it for precision entries. All right. OHL stands for open, high, and low. The three key price points that form the backbone of every trading day. Okay. Now, the open represents where the market starts. Okay, let's just use this as a case study. The open price is where the market starts. All right, the price where the market starts for that day or for that particular price candle. All right, for that particular candle, and then the high and the low mark the extremes of the session. So this is the high, the upper extreme, while the low is the lower extreme, the lowest point that price got to, the highest point that price got to. Okay, so these three levels often act as dynamic support and resistance. All right, dynamic support and resistance zones, especially during the first few hours of trading. Traders use these levels to anticipate breakouts, false breakouts, and reversals depending on how price behaves when it reaches or reacts to them. So here's how you can use this strategy. Okay, you start by identifying the daily open, high, and low levels from the beginning of the session. All right, you have to identify it from the beginning of the session. Okay, most platforms, including TradingView, lets you use a session separator to make this easy, right? So you wait for price to approach either the high or low of the trading day. You watch how price reacts. All right, watch how price reacts. If it breaks and closes above the high, you could be looking at a breakout trade. For example, if we use this previous candle as an example, you can see that price broke above the high of this previous day. Can you see? And we actually had a bullish move. After this trading day, you can see the next consecutive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next consecutive 5 days has not even yet touched the breakout point. Can you see that? We had a breakout to the upside, and you can see that price has now remained above the breakout territory. Now, this is another example where price broke above the previous day's high. And then there was a retest here. There was a false breakout here, but price eventually got rejected and pushed upward. All right, so can you see that? So you have to watch how price reacts. Do not just jump into the trade. Watch how price reacts first. If price taps the level and rejects, it could be a sign of a reversal. Okay, so you have to use the open as a reference point. If price is trading above the open, the bias is bullish. If it is below, the bias is bearish. All right, you can even trade, you still use the daily open, high, and low for trading even within the day. You can actually mark your open, high, and low prices and go to lower time frames and look for opportunities. All right, if you go to lower time frames, you can look for opportunities within that trading day. Right, you can look for opportunities within that trading day. Right, okay, let's go back to our daily time frame. Now, the best trades often happen when price breaks the high or low with momentum, especially after consolidating near the level. All right, the OHL strategy works best during the first 2 to 4 hours of the major Forex sessions. Okay, that is the London and New York. So that is when volume surges and price tends to test these key zones. Avoid using this strategy during low volume periods or when markets are ranging sideways. Okay, so let's say it is London open. Maybe price has formed a clear daily high at a particular price point. All right, so maybe around 8:30 a.m. GMT, price approaches that level again. Maybe you have to go to a lower time frame. Perhaps you can use the 1 hour chart so that you can trade intraday. That is, if you're an intraday trader. So maybe price has already formed an obvious high, and then around the particular time, maybe price approaches that high again. You have to wait for a strong bullish candle to break and close above that high. Then you can enter on the next candle's retracement. For example, let's say around here, price broke above the high. Then you can wait for the next candle's retracement with a stop below the breakout candle. Your first target is a fixed risk to reward ratio or the next major level based on structure. So after we have gotten this our bullish confirmation, we can use stop loss, of course, below that candle, and then take profits can be minimum of 1:2, or you can just target the next key level. That's, the next key level, and you're good to go. So if price instead wicks above the high and closes back below, right? That's a possible fake out. So you should be looking out for a fake out if possible. If price maybe attempts to break below a certain level, and then before you know it, there's a rejection and a reversal, and in that case, it's possibly a fake breakout and a reversal pattern. That's the reason why you must get confirmation before entering your trade. Okay, so do not chase price. Let it break and confirm before entering. Also, never blindly enter at the level. Always wait for confirmation. Use tight stops, especially if you're scalping. OHL levels attract volume, so whipsaws are common. Be selective and avoid over trading. Another mistake, ignoring the open. Do not ignore your open price. The open is key to understanding market sentiment. A breakout above the high while price is still below the open is often a trap. All right, so the OHL trading strategy is simple, powerful, and highly adaptable. Whether you are scalping or day trading, using these psychological levels gives you a framework to trade cleaner and smarter. Stick to your session, understand the behavior around the levels, and manage your risk. And you'll start seeing better setups, clearer charts, and more discipline in your trading. If this strategy helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more trading content every day. More chart breakdowns, more setups, and clean price action tips are coming your way. Thank you for watching, and stay sharp in the markets. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.